We've done it again. Hello and welcome back to day 2 of eating one takeaway a day every day for the next 7 days to see how much weight I can drop. I woke up very tired today, but there's no time like the present to get yourself out and get those steps done. I took myself out on a big old walk, preparing myself for the takeaway that we was going to have later. I stayed fasted till about 2 PM before I had my first meal of 432 calories. Today's venue... What do you know about the Colonel? We upped the ante today. We got ourselves a Zinger burger with 2 hot wings and a regular fries. This accumulated to a total of 860 calories.
The last bit of food is this little bit of matter.
Finally, we combined our last 2 meals together, accumulating 437 calories and 113 calories to a total of 550 calories. I sat down on my fat ass for the rest of the evening and ate my last meal. This is how we're currently looking. So for the current loss from day 1 to day 2, totaling down to 0.7 kilo loss. Come back tomorrow to see if we lose or gain weight.